Zegocloud review. Is this AI app builder legit? So Zegocloud is a real-time communication and AI agent development platform. It enables developers to embed ultra-low latency voice, video, live streaming, chat, and AI agents features into apps using the lightweight SDKs and APIs. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. So for the pros, it offers ultra-low latency and reliable real-time SDKs. It also has a feature-rich platform which supports audio, video, chat, AI agents, and digital human avatars. It also has a cross-platform SDKs and ready-made UI kits. They also offer a strong developer support and recognition, and it is scalable for enterprise needs. The cons is they have the UI kits and customization, which are very basic. The security compliance also lacks for the sensitive use. The pricing and documentations also have some concerns and may be high for some small users, and they have some scalability limitations for the large scales or the global deployments. So overall, Zego Cloud is a legitimate and powerful platform for developers building AI and real-time apps with AI agents, voice, video, streaming, and chat features.